Hi, this is Snail with Outdoo. So in this video, we'll be creating a roleplay agent from a LinkedIn profile. To create a roleplay agent, you can click on Create Roleplay Agent in your Important Tasks section on the home screen, or you can head over to the Roleplay Agents tab and then click on Create Roleplay Agent. Let's select Single Agent for now. So since we are creating a role play agent from a LinkedIn profile, I select this option from LinkedIn. Let's select cold call as the role play type. We can select one of the default custom scenarios, or we can create a completely new one. So let me just select that the buyer is right now aware of the problem that we are trying to solve. Any extra information that you would like um, to add, you can put it over here and then enter the LinkedIn profile. So we are pasting Sundar Pichai, who's the CEO of Google's LinkedIn profile over here, and then click on Roleplay Agent. So it will just take a few seconds, and now the roleplay agent is completely ready. You can customize it. Of course, we have not selected the official image, and since this is just for learning purpose, right? So the entire roleplay agent is configured based on the profile and all the background, the interest, the concerns, the type of personality has been configured accordingly. It has automatically updated the information about the company, the service, what could be the concerns, priority, objection, and you can go ahead and customize it if you want, right? Finally, you need to select a scorecard because whenever, let's say, a seller or a GTM member, when they try out the role play, they will be evaluated and they will be recommended on how they can improve based on the scorecard. So once that is done, you can go ahead and publish the roleplay agent. Of course, changing these many fields to customize, to configure the roleplay agents seems like a very arduous task. You can go ahead and use our fine tuning agent as well, where you can just simply prompt, right? So I can maybe add an objection that there is no budget for this quarter, right? Of course, it's Google, they would have budgets, but we're just taking this as an example. So the fine tuning agent understands the change that you want to make to the role play agent, and it will automatically change the fields and add the objections and priorities. So I can see that one objection has been added, that no budget for this quarter. So this is a very easy and quick way to customize the roleplay agent. And I can go ahead and publish the roleplay agent. And that's it. You are now all set. You can share this roleplay agent with your team, add it to a course or a call blitz. Thank you.